and things that I definitely will not use, won't need, in so many pieces. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Merta here and welcome in my messy studio. You heard it right. My studio is far too messy. It has so many things and also so much rubbish around. I have to be honest, I'm one of the biggest hoarders for definite. I'm gonna raise my hands first to say yes, I store rubbish because I hope to use them in some future videos, and a lot of times it's not happening. And I was thinking that I'm ready to tackle the rubbish side of my studio, to throw away things that I really haven't used for months and years. I don't even have a plan for those things. So those things I really feel they have to go. I need room for my art supplies. I need room for air. I need room for breathing, and keeping all these recycled materials, keeping all these plastic cup bottles, cups, whatever, keeping the broken charger, keeping the broken something, because I may use it, because it will be so amazing in the project that it's not happening. I'm ready to sort those things, and I'm ready to just say, yes, hey, I kept so much rubbish that it's time to just clean it up. And one of the first tasks, divided in few videos, I believe, will be to tidy up those drawers here that you can see. I'll be honest, the story with those drawers, when I purchased this unit, that was 5 years ago, in IKEA, I was so excited. I was so happy that I will finally have a space with this tiny little drawers that I can divide things and keep them in order. It never happened. The moment I moved into the new studio 5 years ago, I just was pushing things in those drawers for future, for tomorrow, for the next day, for the next project, for later, or I didn't know where to put it. I was like, this drawer, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers are filled with the most crazy things ever. And I think it will be just simply fun to see what's in there. Fun for you, fun for me. And I'm sure I'm gonna find loads of treasures, plenty of strange items, but maybe that's gonna be the fun part of that video. So without any further ado, let me dive into those drawers. Let's see. Even to open the first, no, you don't see from this angle. I mean, seriously, I know it's really bad. It's so bad that even Lucas said to me, Marta, when are you planning to tidy those up? And I figured that being home now and having a bit more time, maybe it's time to do it, and time to just say goodbye to certain things and just not cry, but just let it go. Throw it away, give it away, maybe sort things, plastics, papers, things that I may use and things that I definitely will not use, won't need, in so many pieces. So guys, let's just dive into those drawers and let's tidying them up. Okay, so here it is, my beautiful unit with the drawers. Why it's not sharp? Anyway, I can't even close one of the drawers, as you can see, because it's just so filled with things. Let's dive into first drawer. Oh my. I'm not even sure I should show it to you because I feel so ashamed that I have kept those drawers in such a state. It's just ridiculous. I feel bad by looking at it, and I feel bad sharing it, but then on the other hand, maybe there's more of you that have this problem, and maybe this will motivate you to just start cleaning all of that and keeping only those important things that mean something to you. Yeah, so let's just clean it out. Yeah, get your drawers open, get your shelves, and start with something small, like a drawer like this. It's not that small though, isn't it? Anyway, let's do it. here it is, our drawer, the first drawer. You could see that Emily actually cleaned it and finished off because she really loves organizing things. That's how it looks at this moment. Obviously I'll be adding things from drawer number 2 probably, but Emily really loved to organize all of that and she did super job. So we have then the box with the papers, we have the box with the plastic and some rubbish as well. So really this is a lot that was fitting in that drawer. I probably will record soon drawer number 2. I would love you to tell me if you enjoyed this video. I really would love you to tell me if you enjoy a video like that, if you would like me to clean and record the other drawers as well. Maybe those videos will motivate you to clean your own space, especially these days that we have a little bit more time probably than usual. So that's the plan. I'm not tidying up the whole studio because it's really difficult for me to just go in and clean everything. It would probably take me for a good few days, good few weeks to finish it all. So instead of worrying about the whole studio being in a mess, I'm gonna tackle in piece by piece, place by place, that kind of way. Oh. Hannah was singing in the garden. It's a beautiful day today in Ireland. Finally we had lovely sun, we had really gorgeous day. The girls were in the garden building the new plastic house that they truly enjoy playing with, especially Hannah, but Emily actually does love it too. So they have something to do in the garden for time being, obviously, and Emily helped me here, which was great, and she was already asking for another drawers. So maybe if not today, maybe tomorrow we move on to the next one. And as I said, you know, piece by piece, shelf by shelf, I will just try to declutter everything slowly without pressure. I would love to hear from you if I'm not the only one, if you actually do have a little bit of a hoarding in you, hoarder type in you, if you are doing same way, if you have some more rubbish than normal people would have. As much as I feel ashamed of what I have showed you, how bad the drawers are, especially the first one that you've seen, I'm thinking that maybe in a way it will encourage you to just not be worried about it and just go for it. Just try to tidy up and don't worry what others says and how it looks, how it feels. The drawers for me were like the first to go place when it comes to putting things that I don't know where to put, or like, oh, I have some left over. So that's where the whole idea of, you know, making them full and completely disorganized. So I really hope that with this first drawer being tidy, that Emily did fabulous, that we're just gonna move on to the next ones. Yes, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, I really hope you are safe. I hope you are encouraged to make some changes in your home, maybe some changes in your craft rooms. I really hope that this video could be a little inspiration to you, and yeah, it will brighten up your day a little bit. Till the next time, guys, I'm gonna wrap up at that. So I can edit it and add it today so you can see it a little bit of our day. Thank you so much. I love you loads, but I have to go. Till the next time. Bye. Bye bye.